get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see?
Mama, I don't know why your son's wife is calling me.
Which of them?
Phyllis, of course.
You don't know why she's calling. Pick up her call.
Hello? Is that what he told you? Phil, you are talking rubbish. Oh, okay. I'm waiting for you. Nonsense.
What did she say?
Mama, she's talking rubbish. She said I insulted her husband, that she's coming to beat me.
Why is Felix like this? Why did he go home and tell his wife everything? Huh? Why is he tearing this family apart?
Mama, I am waiting for Phil to come to my father's house and beat me.
Yeah. Hey!
I'm talking to you now. Give me my share of the money. That's why I'm here. I've been telling you inside. You're doing like you're not hearing me. Give me my part of the money. When they share this money, let me use it and start something useful with my life.
Are you ready to agree to the terms?
Now go to hell with your terms, man. I don't want to listen to any terms. Give me my 150 million. Let me use the money and do something useful with my life. Huh?
Please, then you're not ready to share the money.
Felix, please.
Now that's one. I'm talking to you now. Now what's up now? What's going on? I'm talking to you. Give me my money.
Calm down now.
No, is it? Purple grey. Purple grey. And mafia. Guy, give me my money. That's why I'm here.
Please, now it hasn't gotten to this now.
Honey, wait.
Honey.
When you're ready to share the money, you let me know. So we'll go down to the village and resolve how to share the money. But as you can see, I'm on my way to...
You're speaking it.
No, nah.
Think I'm here to play? No, you think I'm here to play? It's not me where we Abi. No, you think I'm here to play? I drive around all the time, coming here for this same money. And I call them rubbish. One day, get my money now. Give me my bag. I was taking Cameroon butter. Cameroon butter.
Let me take my list.
Come on, son. Give me my money, son.
Because don't fight you. No, honey.
And you're drawing me anyhow?
No.
One day, young guy tagging out to the Joshua. What did I get? Hey, I got shit. Okay.
Alright. Please get out of my house and never come back here again. What is all this?
Well, I didn't come to trade words with you, woman. I came to ask you to warn your husband never to try that rubbish again with my husband. Else, you know what I mean? I'll make him understand that the gentle stride of a lion isn't out of cowardice. Alright?
I've always known. I knew for a fact that you have been the one engineering that useless and senseless husband of yours. But no problem. You cannot come here, walk and get her. You can't do that. You cannot do that in my house.
You amaze me, you know. I never knew you are this foolish. You are supporting evil. Woman, you're so dumb that you can't make your husband see reasons. Are you for real?
Hey. Don't try that nonsense. Let me remind you for a fact that you are in my house. And it's high time you take this 2 left leg of yours and get out. Now.
Wait. Is this what you call a house? For real? A house to you.
And what's the meaning of that? Please get out of my house! Get out! Is something wrong with you? Have you gone nuts? I mean, are you losing your sanity?
Wait. Phil. Did you just touch me?
I pushed you. Yes, I did.
You pushed me.
What will you do?
Iron lady.
I know the word
revolves around you. But I want you to try that nonsense again. Let those your filthy hands touch me again. No, go ahead.
I've always known, neighbor, and you're looking for good to kill you. Hey! I will not touch you because I know for a fact that if I touch you, you will die. But I don't have time to touch you. Just take your useless, bodiless body out of my house. Get out!
I thought you're not scared.
Scared?
Tiger, I thought you're not scared.
Scared of who?
Well, you don't need to ask me to go because already I'm uncomfortable. I'm choking on.
No, it's better you go because you choke to death. Because every time you carry this your 2 left legs and come into my house to talk nonsense in our query, in our Paula, you think if you control your husband, then you will come to my own abode and control me. Something is definitely wrong with your little head if you don't know. Nonsense. I don't want anybody more.
Something has to be done urgently before my children will kill themselves in this city because of the money.
Please, stop crying. Stop crying. I don't know what has come over Felix. This was the truth I was telling him. And he accused me of taking bribe from Desmond. And that was why I was supporting Desmond. Me!
This whole thing started like a drama. I never knew that Felix meant everything he said.
But Felix is getting it wrong.
Oh.
How can he count you and Juliet of the money? Or is it because Uncle Robert is late? Had he been alive, would Felix open his mouth to vomit and talk this rubbish that he's saying? Ask me. Ask me. I don't understand. This is the truth I was trying to tell him, and he accused me of taking bribes. Me! Me, Bekwe, took bribes! Look, I will stand by the truth. The courts know that my hands are clean. William, stop crying. Stop crying. Whether he likes it or not, you and Juliet must partake of this money. You must share from it.
I'm not talking about the money again. My question is, what can we do urgently so that my children don't kill themselves? You couldn't help me. Mama,
just calm down. Felix doesn't have anything in mind. Felix just wants to instill fear in you people so that he will have his way. He cannot hurt anybody.
If I knew him, you don't know what you're talking about. Right now, I don't know Felix again. Because of money, Felix can do anything. Help me.
I don't know the devil that has entered that particular.
I don't know.
He's biting more than he can chew. Don't worry. We'll do something about it urgently. Yes, I will do something. Yes, I will. I guarantee you that. Robert. Hey! What's wrong with this boy? It's okay. If he were to be alive, can he do this nonsense? I call this emergency meeting because I'm no longer comfortable with what is happening in my late brother's family. When my brother Robert was alive, peace, unity was reigning. In fact, other families used to emulate this family. Now, peace has completely eluded us. We are now living in disarray, no unity. Now, What is the problem?
Please, please, please. We are not here for English class. Secluded, transcluded, and macluded. Oga, you know the truth. But you won't say it. Because you've collected bribe. Say the truth and shame the devil. Stop speaking English. Who are you speaking English for?
Felix. Felix. Now tell me, which truth do you want me to tell you again? No, tell me. I have told you.
You have told me nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Yes.
Okay. Since you don't want to say the truth, let me help you. The truth is that late Robert Ago had only 2 sons.
Bagam.
And one of them is that Utobo, that longitude seated beside you. And me, we both are responsible for sharing his wealth alone. No third party. No third party. We both are responsible for sharing the wealth. That's the truth.
Uncle.
Yes, my dear.
I want to thank you for everything. For trying to bring peace to this family once again.
Thank you.
Do not mind my little brother for his attitude, all the things he's acting. You know, I thought by now he should have brought his senses back, but...
You are the one that lacks sense. Because a responsible and sensible Igbo man should know that women don't take part in sharing money recovered from lands. That's abomination.
Naibekwe, I want to thank you for everything you have been doing in this our family. Our ancestors will continue to guide you. You are a good man. Please, permit me to ask Felix just one question.
William, go ahead with your question.
Felix, have I ever wronged you in any way? Or did your father tell you that he didn't marry me properly? That probably I ran to him and claimed to be his wife? I'm asking because this whole thing is baffling me. Huh?
Nah, Mama. I have a question and answer. Obro jam class, Karen. What we're here for is sharing the money equal. Tell your son to share the money equal. That's fine now. 150 million for him and 150 million for me. If you want peace to reign, that is the exact thing to do. Or same jump question.
Felix, the question is relevant.
Hey.
Answer, Mama. And at the same time, tell me if you have heard in any way that Papa was not responsible for my pets. Tell me!
My problem is that we all know the truth, but we have refused to say it.
You're not helping, Madam.
Mama, please leave me, let me talk. Let us say truth for once in our lives and shame the devil. I mean, what is all this? You are a woman. A woman never takes part in his father's wealth. I came from a family, and a very responsible one at that. I have never for one day dragged anything with my brothers. Never. So what is all this nonsense here? The money should be shared between the 2 brothers, and it's fine now.
No, well, we are now mates now. If I talk, Juliet will
money
and a messy debate.
Yeah, okay, shut up. Shut up. Must you talk? No, must you talk in this meeting? Are you part of this family? I'm asking you, Phil, are you part of this family? I guess so. So if I'm talking, you'll be telling me to shut up. Shut up there. Sit down. Oh, you are standing. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Phil. Sit down. Sit down. I'm afraid of you.
Sit down.
No need, you cannot touch me. No, I'm too proud. No, let him stand.
Listen to me, listen.
Hey!
Will you all keep quiet and respect me, the father of this home? We are here to find solution to this problem. We need to put our heads together. We're not here to make trouble or quarrel.
Uncle.
Hey. Yes, my dear.
I've been quiet all this while simply because I've been trying to wrap my head around
what is causing all this drama? What kind of temptation is this? What is happening to us?
Joe, your stupid husband. Joe! Ask him.
Please, oh, let's not forget the love and unity that binds this family. Is it because father is dead?
I don't know.
Expired mango. Spoiled pawpaw. What are you saying? What points are you making? Eh? Why we are here is sharing the money equal. If you don't understand, 150 million for me, 150 million for you. That's fine now. All five are here. Share the money equal.
When you're ready to share the money, you tell me.
Please don't be more than a fool that you are already. What kind of nonsense talk is that? Are you a madman? How can you be asking him that stupid question? He is ever ready to share the money. See, do you think we are fools? I mean, you think we are not well read? Let me tell you, you cannot do that with us. Share this money. Don't be so foolish. Wait. Bring the money and share it the way it's supposed to be shared. And this will reign. Do you understand that?
I'm ready to share the money now.
No.
Line.
What I will not take from you is you pointing your filthy fingers at my husband.
If I point it, what will happen?
Don't ever point your fingers.
Even man do be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko. Go one night, buzi one day. Okwa makeko. Makeko. One day, maybe one day.
No! These people have touched the lion's tail. So they want to kill you because you want peace to reign in their family. I can't take this nonsense. No. That's more than Felix.
Maybe calm down, no, calm down. Take it easy, eh? You know, they are my brother's children. And by extension, they are equally my children, no?
And so what? So they should kill you because they are late brother's sons? Huh?
Papa, don't tell him to take it easy. Look at what they have done to you. And you're telling him to take it easy. Look, it's high time you forgot everything about that family. I mean, if they want to kill themselves, let them go ahead and do that. But not in my family. I repeat, not in my family.
No, Maka. I'm doing it because of my late brother. Oh. These children don't want the soul of my late brother to rest in peace. Oh, hey, Robert.
You are doing it for your late brother. I don't care if you are doing it for your late brother or for your late sister. All I know is that I won't allow them to kill you because you want peace to reign in their family. What am I even saying? In fact, as a matter of fact, they must know that you have a son. I'm coming.
Come on, calm down, don't go. Come on, everything will be alright.
Papa, don't tell him to take it easy. If you say it one more time, I'm going to leave you all by yourself. I mean, don't they have respect for any family anymore? Like, what kind of nonsense is this?
She's okay. Namaka, you want to leave me with this baby?
Yes, I'll leave you.
Oh, Chimo.
Papa, I'm sorry now. Sorry. But this. I'm sorry. Just have to be careful this time.
Felix! Felix!
This one you're getting woman. What is it?
That is not in you. That is Felix.
Felix.
You must tell me why he pushed my father down. Where is he?
Hey, Calm down. You're holding a machete. Because just calm down.
Where's the husband, woman?
My husband is not at home. And what is it? Ogini?
What is it? Brother.
What is it now?
Ask me what is it? I know the one that he pushed my father down.
Please.
My husband. Whoever told you that is the blatant liar. My husband did not push your father down. Who said so?
So you are about to talk?
No.
You're still talking?
Don't talk again.
So who pushed your father down?
Ifeanyi.
Bikono.
It's okay.
That is, I want to see him now.
He's not around.
Yes, he's not at home.
You just shut up. Don't talk.
Ifeanyi. This is not at home.
Don't talk now.
Mama, please.
Shut up. Come back from there.
Tell us.
He's not around.
He's not around. He's not around. My husband did not push you. I'm telling you the truth. Whoever told you that lied to you. Whoever told you that lied to you.
Please push my father down. My father.
Biko.
I'm coming back. Tell him that I came.
We will tell him.
If I come back here again.
Hey.
Police, no. I'm coming.
Hey.
Okay. Felix, I'm coming back for you. That is good. How's the man to push my father down? You think you can push my father down and get away with it?
Hey. You see what you cost?
What?
Will you shut up your mouth? Is something wrong with you?
It's okay.
Mama, it's okay. You think I don't know your plan? You're a very wicked woman. And God Almighty will judge you.
Me?
I know your plan. Your plan is for that idiot to come and kill my husband. And for you to will everything to that useless son of yours. You have failed. Mama, you have failed.
Are you talking to me
I
like
am
that?
talking to you.
You're
a wicked woman. Yes. Like that? You are talking to me like that? What are you mad? It's something of you.
What is your problem? It's okay. Hey! Umaka, please, Osgo, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, you don't want to stop. You don't want to stop. Okay.
Chineke ga-edebe anyị debe unu nwa unu na-eje n'abata mkpụkpọ ama akpọ unu njuju ama ajụ osisi bụrụ unu atụ nkwe ivu anya sa nwa bee nye ọnụ ya na ọ ga-adịle mma
nna ya ọfọzi
asụkwa nke egwu
Thank you for the cola.
You're welcome.
I don't know if you've heard the problem I'm having with my mother, my brother, in fact my family, concerning the money the company paid us. Among me, you know about the problem we're having.
I heard. But when a thing of that nature is not passed through the correct channel to reach the elder's ear, he has not had it. That is how I see it. I am an elder, and things of that nature must pass through me, be put to me in the correct way.
That is true. That is true. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to tell you officially, as the oldest in our kindred. The truth is that the company paid us that money quite well, but since then we've been having issues because my brother is insisting on sharing the money between I, my sister Juliet, and my mother. In fact, some of our family members, it is not done, man. That is the problem. Doesn't know that we must share the money between my sister and my mother.
You see, according to tradition, you see, oh, Mamo.
Please just manage. This is 20,000 naira.
Huh?
Yeah.
All this for me? Hey, this one you call managing. Right? It's not managing, no. It's a very big money. Oh, God will bless you, my son.
Thank you, Baba.
Replenish your pockets.
Say,
remember an old man like me. God will pay you back in your own coins.
Says.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You don't have to worry when you have someone like
Yeah,
me.
of course. Of course. My son, back to what we've been talking about. It is unheard of that women partake in the sharing of a man's wealth.
Oh,
That's never been heard of.
But this is what I've been telling these people. That is never done. It's not done. This is exactly the problem we've been having now. Eh?
In any case, I shall have to do it the way I know is most proper. And you will be happy about it.
Thank you.
Even them, they will be happy about it too.
Thank you. Thank you.
I am the eldest in this family. And anything that I say stands.
That the cab is open. That is why I've come. Because I
So,
know you to be a man of truth.
Yes. I'll say the truth. And everybody will like it. That is the thing.
Thank you. You will live long for us. You will live for more years and years to come. Amen.
If I didn't have Unu.
Amen.
But when you're
of course.
You leave it.
You got the lie.
Money rules the world. Even Mando be at all. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world.
Hey.
This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil.
If I don't kill that your useless sister today, call me a bastard. If I don't kill her.
Which of my sister is there?
How many sisters do you have? That useless sister of yours.
No. Point of correction. Juliet is no more my sister.
Better.
Back to what you said. What happened?
She fought me. Juliet raised her filthy hands on me. She fought me today simply because I was trying to defend you. I was telling that useless man that you were not the one that pushed his father. Juliet, Pam, where did them, Yan and Maggie, if you see what they did to me today, if you see what they did to me.
Juliet fought you.
She slapped me. She called me all sorts of names. She called me an evil woman. She called me a witch.
What?
What did she not call me? The one that is making me mad is that Juliet called your wife a prostitute. She called me a prostitute.
Juliet called you a prostitute?
Yes, she did.
And what did my mom say when she said that?
What could she have done? She will obviously side her daughter. She was there. Both of them teamed and beat me up. They beat me up. Hey, I have suffered. Ijedi, I will not take it. Yes. I will take it.
Juliet called you a prostitute. Juliet. Juliet.
Juliet. Come out. I'm talking what you mean in the presence of my husband. Come out. Leave me alone.
show you the stuff I'm made of. Because if you hear, your phone has broke weight. So you're supporting her for calling my wife a prostitute.
She never called her a prostitute.
Watch her again.
I was here. She was the one that was insulting me. Hey! You insulted me. You gave me up. I've been here.
Shut up! Shut up! I know my wife very well. My wife can never lie to me. You called her.
I know your problem. Okay.
Override proposition again.
Don't do that. I know you are a blatant liar. I know your problem. You're a witch. You sent her to come and insult me. You think it's because you are lost. You're a very stupid idiot. I'm not for me. It's not there. I know what your plan is. You have been sending this idiot to come and insult me. But it is high time I showed you people the stuff I am made of in this house. What can I call you feel? Listen to me. What I will not tolerate from you. What is it? Is you insulting my husband? The next time you will point your filthy hands on him, imagine it.
Money is the root of all evil. If we let go,
My children, why have you people chosen to kill me before my time? Why are you giving the devil a chance in our family? There is nothing we cannot sort out as a family. This is not what we are known for now. Let us try and give peace a chance. Bikono, let us bring peace back into our family. Biko.
Mama, if you want peace to reign in this family, what is longitude? Wow, back on my money. Let him give me my 150 million. Simple. If you don't want us to give devil one flat in this house, what is man on my money? That's all. No addition, no subtraction. Let him give me my money.
Yes.
Is it too hard to ask?
He should bring the money. Mama, you know the right thing. Let the right thing be done. He has to share the money into 2 equal parts. He takes one, while my husband takes his own. Then peace will reign. Mama, if not, peace will never reign in this house. You know that.
I can about war steady now. I can about war now. Omarosi, I can about war.
Mama, I'm so sorry. I know how you feel about this whole thing. Not that I cannot bring out the whole money to be shared the way he wants it, but I am trying to do the right thing.
Which is?
Let him finish.
Mama, you know, we have tradition and our tradition must be respected. I'm even trying to protect him. Yes, I'm trying to protect him.
Legend of the Seeker. Melee. Protector of the universe. You're trying to protect. Oga, you're on protection. I can protect myself. Give me my money. I didn't ask you for protection. Give me my 150 million. Did I ask you for protection? Huh?
Is it too much to ask?
It is very good for one to fight for his rights, as you're doing now. You're fighting for your own share as one of Robert's sons. But you're also forgetting that I am the only daughter of this family. And I'm also fighting for my rights.
Oh, because shut up your mouth. Me chip one, okay? And you are a woman. You seem to have forgotten that. Mama, what you got? A woman does not have a right in her father's house. Oh no, okay, give me my own money. Go and get married. Jackie, then you will have a say. Don't come here and be talking nonsense now, that boy. Nonsense.
Don't go and get married.
Phil, I know that mad people like your type do not have any right or respect in their father's house.
Yes.
But people like us, we do. Yes. In my own father's house, I am well honored and respected. I am not shameless. So keep barking like a mad dog. Bawa.
Overripe papa. Overripe papa.
Respect and honor my foot. You are very, very stupid. Look at you. Look at this fool. You have the nerves to talk to me. Who the hell are you? Anyway, I have nothing to say, eh? Man, if you ever in this house speak to me again, even Meme, I will scatter this useless moi face of yours.
Bikono. I did not call for this meeting so that you all will be bantering words with one another. No. Let us allow peace reign in this family. Bikono.
No peace. Share the money. Share the money into 2 equal parts. I am peace. If not, there won't be peace. Oh, there won't be peace.
Mama. Yeah, my love, Moabu Felix. I better hear him debate. I don't remember your fellow students accurate timekeeper. Tell this bum fool to give me my money. My money. I got about 4th World War in this family. That's in the booth. Man, on our body go. In the booth. Man and mother who go. How about no my money? If I did war of women at this house, which I don't.
Simple. This meeting is not yet over now.
On now I'm the tiro cutting one auntie. In if any MPL, mama. And my money, I buy war. I'm off here.
The meeting is over. It is officially over. Mama, pay for again. If the name, but you know everything. In fact, you are the architect of this whole thing. Yes! You could have told this useless son of yours to split the money into 2. Give my husband his share and take his. But you won't do that. You know, nonsense.
Useless woman. Useless woman. It takes a useless woman to know a useless person. Idiots. Like husband, like wife.
Yeah, it's okay. Mama, please, just allow them to go, okay? I know I am doing the right thing, and our ancestors are watching. Please, take it easy. Oh?
I called this meeting because of the report. Your mother, you, Felix, and Desmond came to me and reported to me. Okay, I don't know ewu amụọ nwa n'ọbụla. Onye ọkụ na-agbapie, ada achụ nta ọka. The house of our late brother is on fire, and it is up to us to quench it.
Felix and Desmond, you heard it. Tell us now, why is this problem still lingering in our family? Tell it.
My elders, I greet you.
Thank you.
Like my mother told you, he who seeks for peace remains in peace. I am not a violent person. I stand for the right.
Go straight to the point. I have been for peacekeeping me. Go straight to the point. He asked you a question. Bishop Desmond, Deputy Jesus. Go straight to the point.
My friend, don't interrupt him. Don't interrupt.
Tell him to go straight to the point.
Allow him to say what he's saying. You have your own turn to talk.
Sorry for the interruption. As I was saying, you see, Megacraft Company came to us and paid some amount of money to us for our father's land, which they took on lease. They paid the money into our joint account. They did not pay to my own account or either his. But Felix, my younger brother, Natanono, came back home and was giving me the suggestion that the money must be shared between two of us. That my sister and our mother won't be part of the sharing. I mean, that is a problem. One tolato.
This is an issue. A very serious one.
Yes.
Elders of our land, I greet you. And thank you for coming for this case out of your busy schedule. As we all know, my late father had 2 sons. And that is Desmond and I. According to what he said, yes, Mega Craft Company paid us some certain amount of money. And Desmond insisted that my mother and my sister Juliet and even this man seated right here, you want to reap where you did not sow, that this man would take part in sharing my father's wealth. No, you think I've forgotten what you did to me 10 years ago when I came to you to ask you of money. 50,000 naira to support and buy school, and this man refused. Today you want to take part in sharing your brother's money. What did you do for him? That is the problem, oh. This man insisted that he would take part in sharing the money. Now, I do not have issue in giving my mother and my sister money. I told this man that after sharing the money, whatever we feel like giving to my mother and my sister, we can do that out of our own will. Ojuo, say no, that the money must be shared between I, my sister, and my mother, including this man here.
It's okay. We have had to. It's okay.
He said you should keep quiet.
No, black Kelego now.
Tradition.
Nine. You see, the truth of the matter is that I have been on this issue for a long time now. I have tried every means to solve this problem. But this greedy, stubborn and saucy Felix refused to say the truth. He's like a drowning man. Okay, if he's saying the problem is because of the money he asked from me then, what of the mother and the sister? Did you ask them of 50,000 also?
Did I say I will not give
my friend, shut up.
Nai, you know you are the eldest of this family and you know tradition. Tradition demands that all of us should share from that money, and that is himself, Desmond, our wife Grace, and my daughter Juliet. In fact, when the company came, my late brother, called me and intimated me of the money, and in private told me how the money should be shared. And in fact, according to tradition, we are supposed to share. But because of my magnanimity, I said, okay, they should leave me out of it.
They're speaking English.
They should share it between himself, Desmond, Grace, and Juliet. But this greedy man does not want that. In my entire life, I've never seen it happen. You are the eldest in this family. Tell us the truth.
Mazi, you are saying the truth.
Exactly.
The money is to be shared to the entire family.
One.
That is to everybody in the family.
It's again.
It's alright. Not the family.
You have all spoken very well. And I must have to say, our late brother had 2 sons, Desmond and Felix. The money will be shared into 2 for 2 of them. whatever they feel they will give them, whatever they feel they will give their mother, they give to her.
Just like
to
that.
their sister, they give to her. This is a bitter truth, and I must say it because I am only the person who can say it. That is it.
By a person of my own caliber.
You cook water kasega.
Oh, my tradition here.
My friend, just shut up. Tradition of which tradition? No, which tradition?
That is why he has grey hairs. Look at old man with wisdom. Oh, remove your hand to see if you see.
I think you have bribed him just as you accuse me of bribe.
I wonder what this word is turning into. The elders we hold to the high esteem are no more saying the fact, the truth.
My brother, you are very correct. This should be the sign of the end times. Can you imagine Ndubisi of all people to be saying what he was saying? And elder that we look up to was saying that rubbish.
He knows the truth, but he doesn't want to say it. He should be aware that our ancestors are watching him. No one knows if he has collected bribe from Felix.
Omitaburu, my brother. You see, this life is like a mirror. Whatever you give to it, it reflects exactly to you. So that is what we call the law of retributive justice.
Yes, my brother, yes.
So whatever anyone sows, he must reap. So let him be doing that rubbish.
Yes. No evil shall go unpunished. It must surely be redressed.
Right.
If not by men, then by gods. If not now, then later.
You are very correct, my brother. Very, very correct. You see, just for the sake of discussion, look at my brother Robert. He does not deserve this. When he was alive, his life was an example to anybody. The way he was living was worth emulating. So, he does not deserve this at all. This rubbish that is happening in his family. Oh God, look at what death has caused. What a wicked word. Death. Oh.
When someone dies, everything he labored for becomes dead.
My brother, you're right. You are very right. That is why they say if the head of a family dies, the house becomes an empty vessel. It will just be making noise, but there's nothing. Hi, dead. My brother Robert.
If you go, onya chono anikeo, iyo, obo makego.
Obi, how did he go?
Very well now. The wise man has told them the truth. That this is how it's supposed to be.
He's on our side.
Of course now. But don't worry, I'll brief you everything when we get back to the city.
The truth has to be said. Okay, Fugonian. Wow. Look at us. Is that not that stupid boy that came to our house the other day?
Fine. So, Ifeanyi, you have grown, eh? No, Itogo. Eh? Ifeanyi, you had the guts to come to my house to make noise.
With machete, oh.
Eh?
With machetes. Then if you see him that day, he was shouting. He said if he had gotten you at home that day, he would have cut off your head with one useless machete.
Oh, Ifeanyi. He said we'll go expire the boy. No, in Igbo nde Rwanda na Mali. Eh? You want to machete me? Ifeanyi. Can you imagine this?
So you can't even talk again.
Felix.
You can't talk.
Felix. You have the mouth to talk because I didn't come back again for you. Just go and do Thanksgiving. Go to church and do Thanksgiving. I didn't I saw you that day. You can't believe what I would have done to you.
You shut up your mouth. Don't talk to my husband like that.
You push my father down because he came to make peace between you and your brother. And you want me to keep quiet. So you want to kill my father for me? If are you mad? Felix, if anybody is mad, you are the mad person. If you are not mad, you would have denied your mother and your sister their rights. That's only how the mad people behave. You are a mad person.
Very good. Very good.
Fine. Let's go closer now. Listen, I will scatter your head with this stick now.
What happened? Hey! Yeah, you not fit. Are you mad?
If you let me now,
please.
This guy at the right hand.
Are you okay?
Because I'm alone car when you go another one. If you touches me, if I touches me now, I'll break your head.
He's looking for who to kill. You go! Go! Take your frustration and go! Go!
If I balloon weapon, you think they're doing mad. You don't hear now.
Please, now get into the car. Let's go. Leave this boy. He's already dying.
Come closer now. Okay. Let me destroy you. Come closer.
Try it now. Try it. Should I give you
wicked people! Come now! Come! Get them out of here! Wicked people! You push the father down and thinking you can get away with it! You would have come now and see how long that flow from your head now!
Efola akonkoa emwelisio anyukwate na mamancha.
Yeah, Felix.
If you're not right here, no, if you're not down, but no problems. I'm waiting for you in the city. If you come back, we'll continue from where we stopped. What's about it? If you're really down, let's check it by that way. I'm waiting for you in the city.
So, Felix, you actually want to go without resolving this whole issue?
There is nothing to settle, Mama. There is nothing to be resolved, Biko.
Mama, I've told you this countless times. The only way to resolve this issue is this man giving me my money. Only my money or gawalo. It's as easy as that. Stop acting like you don't know the issue at hand. Tell him to give me my money. Only my money piece here now.
Afum no afoni bumuzo wewa may deceive me. Right? I am not scared of you. I can never fear you. And I'm telling you again, I will never be scared of you. I am ready for you anytime, any day. Huh? I'm ready for you.
Is it too much to ask? What is all this? You hold your own, give him his own. Simple.
Bikono.
I'll break your bones.
Bikono. Don't give the devil a chance. Bikono.
What I will do to you, on you know the headline, I got the bloody.
I'm your senior.
I'm waiting for you in the city. It's only my money, right? We'll continue from where we stopped.
Get out. You're just blocking. You can't do anything. Better stay back here and settle it like Mama said.
Oh, Biko. Biko.
Come on in, Ayala. You know, Chris?
Don't give the devil a chance. Biko.
Leave her alone. You are here talking blah blah blah. Nobody didn't watch it. Want this useless husband of yours? If he knows the thing that he's supposed to do, let him do it so that peace will reign in this house. If not, I need to city. Village.
And you heard him right, that we're not afraid of you both. Listen, we are fighting a just cause. Neither you or your husband. Silence us. It's not possible.
A child, purple grey.
Hey, stop that tonight.
As what I carry? Or you can put slippers. Chinchitage.
Javelin. Do not provoke me here. Let me not start from here.
So you
can read video from here, but no problem. I'm waiting for you in the city. One more day, I can get city. I got the blood.
Oga dey bloody. You know the headline will be about one.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay, you don't know
Please don't scratch my car.
Tell your son. Maka know the headline, Oga dey bloody. You know the headline about your son, Oga dey bloody. Tell him to give me my money.
He
That's
will.
all.
You want to die over another man's money. Shame. Shame. Obi, let's go. Let us go. Let us go.
If not.
Anyway, safe trip, eh?
Hey, shut up your mouth.
Drive well. Drive well.
Yahoo boy like you.
119.
Yahoo boy like
you. Shame on you.
If you are learned enough,
you come on the news.
You would have joined.
Everybody, your nyash will open. Everybody will know what
you know the headline, Mama.
Oh,
Oga dey bloody.
Woo!
You know the headline. Oga dey bloody.
Shameless people.
Both of you are dumb.
Are you telling me that man spoke in our favor?
Of course, trust me. He spoke in our favor.
Wow.
Even though I gave him like 20,000 naira to buy stuff, but at least he spoke in our favor.
20,000 naira? For what? Obim, you bribed him. Ah, Obimu, you are the man. You did the right thing. I'm proud of you.
I had to take that decision because I know Desmond is a snake.
You did the right thing, my husband. In fact, I am super proud of you. If you did not bribe that man, who knows? He would have even gone back and bribed him, even bigger than you did. Would have even given him 100,000 naira.
I swear. I'm proud of myself that I took that decision.
Yes. If you're going to know, you're just weak.
Why not put your belt, please?
It's true, my darling. Oh, then I go and sell it. Thank God.
On our wine.
We have finally won.
The man promised me that
yes.
I shouldn't worry, that he will fight for me.
Give us nothing more. I'm so happy about this. I'm so happy. Please be careful.
Yeah, sure.
Our 150 million naira.
Imagine.
Eh?
My dear, I love the way my husband gave it to him hot. He rebuked him immediately. He didn't even consider the fact that he's the eldest in Omabu. Foolish man.
Are you telling me? I trust my brother. He doesn't look at faces, especially when he knows he's right.
Of course. Wait, let's look at this thing this way. Imagine such opportunity come to my family and my own brothers will now decide to deny me of my own rights.
Don't worry yourself. Felix is fighting for something that he knows is not possible. I don't blame him. I blame his wife. His wife is the one engineering the whole thing.
Ekwensu. Listen, no matter what they do to you or how they try to shut you up, stand on your rights.
Are you telling me?
You must collect your share. It's your right.
Money rules the world. Even man do be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see?
I miss you so much, my love.
Oh, I miss you too.
I know. Yeah, thank you. Joy, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. How was the journey?
My sister, we are back now. It went well. I know she must have given you so much troubles. I know she can give trouble. You.
Not at all. Jackie's a nice girl, and I'm glad I took care of her.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mom, Auntie Joy is nice.
Really?
She bought me cheese buns. She bought me burger.
Yeah.
Shawarma.
Auntie Joy is so nice. She bought me cheese ball. She bought me shawarma. Why would she buy you all that? I would have taken you to the village. Then let me know how she buy you shawarma and buy you this. Please, trouble.
Did I complain? Jackie is my daughter. Yes, and I'm glad I took care of her.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry I even interfered. Let me quickly get you and your daughter what to eat, please.
I'm so hungry.
What is that?
Your father is in the market, but he will soon be back.
To see him, I miss him.
I know you miss him. My blom blom, my shawarma, my gelato, my jojo. I'm coming, okay? I love you.
Your father is in business. He loves his business so much. You see him in
Okay.
here. Come here.
Mama, come inside, the food is ready.
I'm not hungry.
Mama, what do you mean by you're not hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Mama, do you want to starve yourself to death? Juliet, what is it? It's Mama. She refused to eat.
Mama,
why don't you want to eat your food?
Of what use is food to me when my family is tearing apart?
Mama, don't tell me you're refusing to eat because of Felic's stupidity.
Money that was supposed to be a source of joy is now tearing us apart. Don't say that. Eh? We're still together. We're still united together. Your family isn't tearing apart, okay? Listen, forget what Felix is doing now. I believe very soon he'll come back to his senses. Please, don't let that bother you.
Mama, our family is not tearing apart. If Felix does not want to be part of us, he can go.
Is this what you mean by being united?
Mama, what do you want us to tell you? We cannot beg Felix to be part of us. If he doesn't, he can leave.
No,
nothing more.
Nobody is leaving. Mama, listen. Now, you can't keep starving yourself. Okay? You know you could develop stomach ulcer and that would become another problem. Do you want that for us?
Please. Come, let's go inside. Oh?
Let's go and eat. Mama, stop crying.
It's okay now.
Stop crying.
I don't like it when you cry because of Felix, so I don't like it, Mama.
Mama, trust me, everything will be sorted out. Let's go. You're breaking my heart, Mama. Stop.
It's not only Bob, it's Bob Marley. Haven't I told you severally they are not good for you? Eh? Didn't I tell you that?
Don't worry, my love. Daddy will buy you shawarma on your way, okay? I hope you will like it.
No, I don't want shawarma. I want to see Bo. I've seen it several times.
Okay, when you come back, I'll take you to him.
I know you're not going to take me to him. You're just deceiving me.
Mama, listen and listen good. I've told you severally, they are not good for you. They are bad people. You need to go now. I'm late for my shop. No, what's calm down?
Calm down. My love, don't mind Daddy, okay? He's just been paranoid. I'll take you there when you come back. Come.
No.